Hi everyone, my name is Ahmed. I'm a student ambassador with the Experiential Education Unit, and today I'm with Annie, who's a remote ROP student.
Hi guys, my name is Annie and I'm a fourth year CCIT and sociology double major. Last fall, I was able to intern at the Experiential Education Unit here as a marketing and design intern, and this was part of the CCT 410 internship course.
So how would you describe your experience and what was your best accomplishment or takeaway?
Overall, I had a really rewarding experience. Even though it was remote, it really did make me feel like I was working in a professional working environment. Everyone was really supportive, and especially during the pandemic now, being able to connect with so many amazing people was such a great opportunity. So one of the marketing projects I was involved with was creating a brochure for the Experiential Education Fair that was virtually hosted as well. I think that I was able to really explore what my strengths and weaknesses were as someone who's trying to grow in the graphic design field. So being able to develop these really useful professional skills was really great to do so.
And do you have any advice for students who are considering enrolling in a remote experiential learning course?
Yeah, I would definitely say to go for it. I would probably approach it with good time management skills and an open mindset. And really just if you have fun with it, I think you'll be able to get a really sort of gratifying experience. And yeah.
Thank you, Annie. And if you'd like more information, you can visit our Experiential Education Unit website.